Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. It's our very first harvest here. Special. Warm greetings to you. What should we do with our meager harvest? It's first harvest. This is too little for pinakbet. So pinakbet can wait. But today we can make a side dish for our ginataang manok. I'll be making ensaladang Ampalaya. Yes, mapait. No, it's really good. If you haven't tried it yet, try it. Ensaladang Ampalaya. We have to go to the shed and prepare. You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series. The entire crew, quote unquote, began to arrive.
Wat een tuin. Helemaal vol. Dag.
Yeah, our cameraman is here, but he chose to talk with the neighbor. So I now have a stand here, a tripod. I'll be presenting to you the ingredients now. As you saw us harvest the main ingredient, ampalaya, onion, tomatoes, salt and pepper, and vinegar. Let's slice. I think I'll play some music just to entertain you. For aesthetics, I choose to slice the ampalaya to get this round and flower form instead of the strips. Yeah. For salads and for better presentability, this is the preferred slice. The Dutch and the Belgians are talking, my neighbors, and I hear someone is going to Poland on Monday, and he has to wake up early. Eavesdropping. Eavesdropping while removing the seeds of our ampalaya here. Next, we will be soaking our pre-sliced ampalaya in salt solution, as salty as possible. The higher the concentration is, the better. It's an action of osmosis here. It's a lesson in chemistry. Fluid of higher concentration absorbs that of lower concentration. So, since salt solution is of higher concentration, it absorbs the water content of the ampalaya, thereby also removing or reducing its bitterness. That's osmosis. I hope you can remember your chemistry lessons. I learned it when I was in third year high school. Continuing with the preparations here. Hey, noisy! If you've seen the cherry tomatoes here, that's my first harvest as well. Or those are my first harvest. That's my lounging bed. That's where I'll be doing my siesta after lunch. Next to the pond. It's been 30 minutes now, and I can retrieve or get the ampalaya. Let the water turn a bit green. Let's rinse it. Remove the rest of the salt. Salt flavor, or salty flavor. The salt has been dissolved. Let's go out now. Mix them together, the onions and the tomatoes. And let's add our meager harvest of ampalaya. Look how glorious it is. It's still green, plus the red tomatoes and the red dish. Let's put salt again. Meanwhile, at the other side, they're talking about how corona has been transmitted among young people in parties in Belgium. And vinegar And Man and Grace joined the noise at the other side. I don't have it here, but we'll be adding later sugar, salt and pepper and vinegar. There's the jar of sugar. Don't mind the shandy there. That's my drink. That's not one of the ingredients. And just mix. This is a growing and cooking channel. If you enjoy what you've been seeing or watching, don't forget to subscribe. And tell us what will we cook next. And if travel is your preference, don't forget My Body, My Mundo. That's our travel channel. Oh, thanks be to God, they have toned down their voice. During the summer months, I'll be cooking here on Wednesdays at the garden and Fridays at our kitchen at our small flat or small apartment in the city. Pinoy food and international flavors. It's ready. Yeah, this should be ready. Let's call my Man and Grace and have her taste our ensaladang Ampalaya. Man and Grace, my God! Here she comes.
Adaak man na! Ensalada!
Yeah, our very first harvest. This is very precious to us. Rama naman manang. Before we say goodbye.
Okay.
Hangko
Ang guri ka?
nga pinuspos. Hindi.
Katana man lang nakaraman tikas choy.
Oh manang, this is very. I tasted this first in Baguio in one of the restaurants. That's really good. So thank you ha sa pagsama
Tastes
sa
very,
amin.
very good.
See? Join us again
Very
in our
healthy.
upcoming videos. Sa aming playlist. May Manang Grace here. Thank you for joining us.
Next time again.
Until next time. Diyos agbati. Mangantayon manang.
Bun, mangantayon.
And there it is, ensaladang Ampalaya, side dish to our ginataang manok with rice. Our lunch for today.
Zal ik jouw rijst opscheppen?
Ja.
Moet er nog meer?
Ja, gewoon.
Lekker.
The Ampalaya ensalada was really good, that even the Europeans liked it. Go on, eh?
Advies? Mag ik advies geven?
Again, thank you for joining us today. I'd like to leave you now with the scenes from the garden as we build Man and Grace's polytunnel. Until next time, and see you at our next videos. Dios, take party.